Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to tease your hair. So yeah. Anyway, I just take a comb. I use this comb. I got it from like hold on. I got it from a hair cutting like pack thing, came with scissors, and I got this comb. So yeah. Anyway, I take my hair. I usually put this back, but yeah. So first I take like the top here and the hair that's underneath that. I put that kind of like out of the way. And then I use this comb, the bigger side of it, and I just go like this. Wait. And then I take this comb I got from Sally's, like literally, it was on like $1. Same thing. And then all you do is really repeat that step, just grabbing more and more hair, kind of in a way it's part of it. And I tried to tease it like all the way up to my roots. That's kind of hard to do sometimes. But why was I standing like that? Okay. Then I take my comb on the big side and just very, very lightly brushing it. Basically like not even brushing it at all. That was brushed out too much. But I just keep repeating the steps until I get it to how I want it. This too. But like there's this one here that's not teased. And then I kind of just go like that. And look, there's still hair right here. And then this on the side, pretty much anything purple gets teased. So I try to make sure all the purple is in one place. It's kind of hard to do sometimes. And then I'll take my straightener and straighten that. Oh crap. Kind of like, I don't want to say curling it because it's not curling it, but making it go inwards. Brush all that hair with it. But I don't know, just tease it till you like it.
Look at that fat slut over there. Her dress is so tight, it's making me stare. She's licking on that lollipop with her tongue. Then let's just shoot her with our guns.
And then I kind of go like that to get more volume in it.
Chicken is taking way too long, so I get for up with it. My daddy walks in as I'm laying it down, but he don't say shit, 'cause I rule this town.
Basically like that. And then I take my hairspray and
So we're going to a
yeah.
show to hear this band play. The beat starts kicking, but this bitch is in my way. I asked her to move, but she said, shit, son. Well, I could beat your ass. Does that sound fun? Yeah, uh-huh. What? Okay. Yeah, uh-huh. Oh, okay.
And hairspray. Then I also brush out the blonde part of my hair.
Always told me not to trigger cut the front, but look how I turned out. Just a fucking luck. So come
Okay, and then
show you what it's time.
now this side, it's not as complicated as this, because all I do is like that. It doesn't really have to be a certain way, I guess. I don't know. If that makes sense. Whatever I just said. But then this. Sometimes I'll hairspray. Usually this I hairspray before I brush it out. Just because it kind of like it's kind of not as thick or layered. But then this I have to brush out even lighter or a little bit more. And I forgot to straighten it. You should have straightened it before teasing it. I forgot. So I'm gonna do that now. This I separately straightened. Oh, that looks awesome. That's really good. If it's like that, that's how you know it's good. But then hairspray. Oh, I closed my eye. And then, oh, my mom is calling me. But that's pretty much it for that. So I hope